Hello, I'm Denver. This is my first audiovisual presentation and I'm going to show you on how to clean the LCD screen of your computer or phone. So first, why do you need to clean the LCD? As we all know that we need to clean the LCD of your computer or phone so that to avoid scratches. But before we start, let's prepare some materials needed to clean the LCD of the phone. First, prepare microfiber cloth. Don't use paper towels. Why? Because it will have more chance to scratch the LCD screen. The screen is fragile and it will easily damage it. Next, provide some isopropyl alcohol. Provide an alcohol that has isopropyl content with 70% solution. These materials will make your LCD screen more accessible and cleaner than they appear. So now let's proceed. First, get the microfiber cloth. Put a little amount again. Next, put a little amount of isopropyl alcohol to the microfiber cloth. Get the phone and wipe it onto the screen. Remember that we're going to wipe it in a circular motion with one stroke only. And after you wipe it, just do it like this. And there you have it. You have a nice clean LCD screen. Thank you for watching and listening. I hope you learned something out of it. Good day and goodbye.